In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best teeth whitening toothpastes in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which teeth whitening toothpastes is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, Opalescence Whitening Toothpaste Pearly Whites Bleaching Toothpaste. Silica carefully gets rid of surface area stains as well as lightens teeth discoloration. Oral health and wellness. Sodium fluoride aids reinforce enamel to maintain teeth healthy and shield against dental decay. Gluten-free and kosher certified. Opalescence toothpaste is gluten totally free and kosher accredited. Unparalleled top quality. Opalescence is made in the USA from the best US and globally sourced products. Opalescence Whitening Toothpaste was created by a dental professional, so you understand it's different from other toothpaste. It is created to reinforce enamel and also help protect against tooth cavities, while proactively eliminating surface area discolorations for whiter teeth. It is mild enough to make use of daily, and has a unique cool mint flavor for fresh breath that lasts. Pair it with our specialist teeth whitening products to maintain the brilliant, healthy, and balanced smile you desire. Grown-ups as well as kids 2 years old as well as older, brush teeth extensively, preferably after each meal, or at least twice a day, or as directed by a dental professional or doctor. Instruct kids under 6 years old on good cleaning and washing habits. Manage kids as needed until with the ability to utilize without guidance. Youngsters under 2 years of age, consult a dental practitioner or doctor. Declarations regarding nutritional supplements have not been assessed by the FDA as well as are not intended to identify, deal with, heal, or prevent any type of illness or wellness condition. Here is the item number 4, Sensodyne Pronamel Intensive Enamel 3.4-ounce tubes of extra fresh Sensodyne Pronamel Intensive Enamel Repair Service Toothpaste for delicate teeth, to reharden, as well as strengthen enamel. Toothpaste for enamel repair work that inhibits demineralization, repair work microdamage, also rebuilds enamel strength, offering long-term alleviation. This delicate enamel toothpaste 3-pack secures your against discomfort. Activates strong enamel toothpaste for tooth enamel fixing that prevents cavities and acid disintegration from exposure to acidic foods as well as beverages. Sensitivity toothpaste with fluoride to safeguard you versus dental caries. Additional fresh toothpaste that leaves your teeth clean as well as refreshes your breath. Brush for 2 minutes with this sensitive toothpaste, twice daily. Sensodyne Pronamel Intensive Enamel Repair Work Toothpaste for delicate teeth is Pronamel's most innovative enamel care solution, scientifically shown to proactively reharden and also reinforce enamel to shield teeth from acid disintegration. The item number 3, Dental Expert Activated Charcoal Enhance Oral Health and Wellness with our new dental care package. Are you looking for a full collection of devices for dental hygiene? Get this worth pack that consists of a toothbrush, toothpaste, and tongue cleaner. This collection is loaded to supply the supreme dental treatment experience, providing you with much more worth for cash. Whiten teeth and also remove discolorations. Are you having trouble getting rid of food particles and stains from your not-so-white teeth? Not any longer. The Oral Specialist Activated Charcoal Toothbrush includes a practical deal with and also ultrafine bristles that thoroughly remove all debris and also spots on the teeth. The Oral Professional Triggered Charcoal Toothpaste can securely as well as efficiently whiten teeth. Maintain your breath fresh and minty. Misbehaves breath offering you a difficult time? The Oral Professional Activated Charcoal Toothpaste is best for doing away with the foul-smelling breath, stains, and staining. You don't have to bother with having foul breath. It's not simply a whitener, but the toothpaste additionally gives you fresh minty breath all day. Make use of the tongue cleanser. How about a tongue cleaner to finish your dental treatment set? Number 2 in our list, Crest Charcoal White Toothpaste, the number 1 toothpaste brand name in America. P&G estimation based on the US reported sales data for year finishing W/O12, 26/20. It's not simply lightening, it's a deep clean treatment with charcoal for your teeth. Crest 3D White Whitening Treatment Toothpaste with charcoal carefully whitens teeth by getting rid of surface area spots and also gives you a clean, fresh sensation with its stimulating mint taste. The paste is black and white striped, and also whitens without the mess of charcoal powders. Also, it has fluoride that remineralizes weakened enamel to assist reinforce teeth and fight dental caries. For best results, pair with a Crest 3D White toothbrush or 3D White electric toothbrush head. No present Crest toothpaste has gluten-energetic ingredients, salt fluoride 0.243%. Non-active active ingredients, water, sorbitol, moisturized silica, disodium pyrophosphate, sodium lauryl sulfate, taste, cellulose gum tissue, sodium hydroxide, salt saccharin, carbomer, charcoal powder, sucralose, polysorbate 80, mica, titanium dioxide, adults as well as youngsters 2 years and older. Brush teeth thoroughly after meals or a minimum of 2 times a day, or usage as directed by a dental expert. The top one in our list, Colgate Whitening Toothpaste Advancement Formula, whitening toothpaste that eliminates and stops brand new spots, fights germs on teeth, tongue, cheeks, and also gum tissues for the entire mouth, healthy and balanced. Mint toothpaste for long-term fresh breath. Helps protect against plaque, tartar, tooth cavities, and gingivitis, fights germs on teeth, tongue, cheeks, and periodontals for entire mouth health and wellness. Colgate Overall Lightening Toothpaste assists get rid of as well as stopping discolorations. Fight microorganisms for a healthy mouth. Safeguard your whole mouth, teeth, tongue, cheeks as well as gums with Colgate Total Toothpaste, Colgate Overall Mouth Wash as well as 360 toothbrushes. Colgate Total SF Lightening Toothpaste has an innovative stannous fluoride toothpaste formula that combats microorganisms on teeth, tongue, cheeks, and also gums for whole mouth health and wellness while bleaching your teeth as well as removing and also avoiding discolorations. Colgate Total Amount likewise offers even more benefits than ever before by consisting of sensitivity alleviation, boosted enamel strength, and also odor neutralization. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best teeth whitening toothpastes amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.